Good day, YouTube. Good day to YouTube. We're gonna do a video today on how to clean your wallabies. I did a video on desert trek, but camera was a little bit shaky, so let me do it again. So I'll remind. So I'm gonna show you how I clean mine and put it back in the box. So I'm gonna loosen the lace. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for the Suede cleaner. So this is a Suede cleaner. It's not an eraser or rubber. Actually, I'm gonna be using this little one because it break off. So I'm using this a medium bristle brush. So all the people who want to know, let me show you how. You can take the lace up, but I normally leave it in. First things first, you're gonna rub it on like that. Rub it all over this way, rub it in on the back until it's completely covered. Remember, it's not eraser. It's actually really a Suede cleaner. You could get this. You could get the spray or the little clay bar thing. Like rub it all over the Suede. On the front and on the top. Yep. Just rub it all over. Everywhere. On the Suede. Only on the Suede. So this feed is done. You can see it on it and right here. Rub it all over. Rub it in so the dirt marks can come out when you brush it out. Yeah. So when you know it's rubbed in, then you can brush it out. So I'm gonna do the next sweep, pause the camera, do the next sweep, then brush it out and show you guys. So I'm back. So I've got the two of them fully with the Suede cleaner. Then I'm going to brush it out with a medium bristle brush. And I normally brush it in one direction, so you just brush it out. One direction. Very simple. Oops. Reset the Suede. So I got this foot, you guys can see. You can take the shoe laces out and do it, but that's not my style. I would normally use like a baby wipes or some wipes and wipe the prep sole off. Just wipe right here off this side, the midsole. But I don't have any wipes, so I'm gonna leave it. Whoops. And that's basically it. I'm gonna brush the next feet out. Got it on it, so brush it in one direction. Brush it all out. Back. Inside. On the it back. Very simple and easy. Nothing hard. And then I'm gonna do like some shots of it cleaned. So it's been cleaned. Then I'm gonna put it back in the box. Very simple. So it has been reset and everything. So guys, this have been clean. Suede is very reset right now. See? So it's basically brand new. Yeah. Got it clean. So that's the tutorial. Very simple and easy. Link in the description for the product. Reset. And it doesn't damage it. Peace out.